Hi, it's Brian Tully from Tully Law. I'm often asked, what exactly is elder law? Well, elder law is about providing for yourself and providing for your loved ones, whether it's planning for your own future or an adult child caring for their parents. That's elder law. We, as elder law attorneys, use the legal, financial, and healthcare systems to advise, support, and advocate for elders and their caregivers. It can involve creating an estate plan to leave an inheritance, or it can be an asset protection plan to become eligible for Medicaid, or it can be doing all that's necessary to make sure mom gets to stay in her home with the best long-term care possible. These are the issues that elder law attorneys, that we at Tully Law, handle every day. Elder law is like a three-legged stool. You can have a very sturdy foundation with those three legs. And elder law is the same because it's also comprised of three parts, all of which are necessary. And if one is missing, then that stool falls over. The first leg of the stool is planning, estate planning, which is the who, what, and how. It's much more than just a last will and testament. A will doesn't even come into play until after one is passed. There's a whole lot that can happen between now and then. So an estate plan, again, is the who, the what, and the how. For example, who will help me when I need help? Will it be my spouse or my child? How will they help me? Will they be my power of attorney agent, or my healthcare proxy, or my trustee? What will they do for me? Will they pay my bills, make healthcare decisions, manage my trust? Who will inherit? Will it be my spouse or my children? What will they inherit? Will it be my home, my life insurance, or investments? And finally, how will they inherit? Either outright or in trust, so it's protected from their problems and potential issues in the future. The second leg of the stool is the protection. How do I protect my assets and my income? With this one, let's start with the why. Why do I have to protect my assets and income? Well, we have a bifurcated healthcare system. That means there's two parts. And as we age, we may have medical needs, those that are covered by Medicare and our Medicare supplemental policies, such as the doctors, the emergency room, or rehabilitation. But if we need help with walking, bathing, and toileting, the activities of daily living, these aren't medical in nature, so your medical insurance is not going to pay. So you're pretty much on your own to cover these costs. So how do you pay? Well, you can pay for this care with your own savings, with long-term care insurance, which most people don't have, or with Medicare for a few weeks after a discharge from a hospital or a rehab. But most use the Medicaid program. Medicaid can pay for care in the home or in the nursing home, but that requires us to make ourselves eligible for that valuable program. Medicaid will pay for the long-term care, but it's all about your assets, your income, and your health. So in order to help you gain that Medicaid eligibility to pay for the care, we can help protect your assets and your income as best as possible. And the best tools that we have for asset protection are the irrevocable trust and the durable modified power of attorney. The third leg of this elder law stool is the most important one because it drives the other two, and that is the care. How do we provide the care, that long-term care that I or my loved one needs? Generally, the long-term care needs start off slow, so the care is usually informal and provided by the family. Then, as one's needs progress or the health declines, then the family usually needs to hire personal care aides from the outside. And that's where it gets expensive, and that's where Medicaid can come in and pay for the care, either at home with the Community Medicaid program or in a nursing facility with the Chronic Care Medicaid program. Both of these programs have extensive rules that have to be followed and eligibility criteria that has to be met. But it is through these Medicaid programs that we provide the care, and it is through our coordination and advocacy services where we help provide the best care possible. If the planning and protection has been accomplished in advance, then providing this care becomes a little easier. If they haven't been completed, then it's a crisis situation and time is of the essence. Every month that goes by can cost the family thousands of dollars. The planning, protection, and care are all intertwined. And if the care is needed without the other two legs being present, then it's truly a crisis. It really does take a village, and family caregivers need all of the help, support, and direction we can offer them. An elder law firm should always assist and support with both the law and the care during the entire aging continuum. They are so intertwined, and one without the other is simply not going to support your loved one as you want them to be. We pride ourselves on being the first elder law firm on Long Island that united the law and the care with our life care planning services. Elder law truly is elder care. Our unified approach to aging allows us to not only handle all of the legal aspects of aging, but also to professionally handle the care with our advocacy and coordination services, all under one roof, all of us going in the same direction to achieve the same goals: protect the most assets and get the best care possible. I hope this introduction to elder law and elder care was helpful to you. And if so, I have a request. If you are that caregiver that wants more for their aging parents, or if you are that senior that wants to plan and protect their own assets for the future, then please give us a call at 631-424-2800 and schedule a time to meet with one of our experienced elder law attorneys, or contact us through our website at tullyelderlaw.com. Thank you. We all look forward to honoring and protecting you and your loved ones.